the same bad idea? Get a campervan? Well, the idea is actually not that bad. You just have to pull some time off, you just have to build it, you just have to find it, and that's a lot of headache. So this is what we're gonna be talking about in this new section. My name is Dennis, this is Live Test Drive, this is probably the future campervan, shall we? Let's crush your baby dreams, okay? First of all, there are three classes. Class A, B, C. In the US, those classes mean a lot. A lot in terms of what you'll be able to do with it, or most likely won't. Class A, this is something giant, big, huge motor house where you'll be able to fit like 5 people, 3 kids, 2 cats, and a lot of stuff. Sounds exciting. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms, you're gonna have a couple of showers, you're gonna have a lot of stuff, and the first thing that comes to your mind, yeah, it's probably not fuel efficient. This is not about efficiency. At the first take, it sounds like a great idea to get something giant, big, where you'll be able to fit a lot of stuff. But in reality, you'll be able to park it only at very specific stops. You have to search through some crowded RV parks, you have to search where you'll be able to pay less money, and in most of the cases you will need to pay like 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks a day to park your giant RV, and in most cases it's gonna be just in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, they're gonna provide you electricity. Oh, thanks God. You won't be swearing bullets, but you're gonna be paying the same price that you would spend on this middle of nowhere hotel. So what's the point? Let's talk about Class B. This is something where you're gonna have smaller package, big Mercedes campervan, or you're gonna have something with a taller roof that will be built specifically as an RV. Sounds like a better plan. But in reality, it's still gonna be as an RV. So in reality, any place that will be able to distinguish big truck or smaller minivan, they will be able to tell you, okay, you can't park here. So you again gonna face the same trouble. And that's where you're gonna start looking for something more stealth, something that's gonna be passing through the street and you probably won't notice. Just an example, when you're gonna see some Spectrum, Xfinity, or any other contractor van, that can be also classed. So it's really hard to distinguish it as an RV, and it's not gonna give you a headache to park it. Alright, yeah, this is a big topic, but at least now you can think into the right direction. If you wanna travel but you don't wanna spend like 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks a day to park your RV, to park your van, you're probably gonna be looking for something smaller, for something that won't have a logo. Hey, I'm an RV and I got a lot of money. Speaking of which, this is 1991 Ford Econoline Club Wagon 5.8 liter. Man, it's a long name. Yes, it's old, yes, it's not perfect, but we're gonna talk about why we picked it. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and watch the newest videos as soon as they come out. For now, let's just talk about 10 things that you must consider before you're gonna go and pick your own. Look beyond the pricing, okay? I had this experience, so learn from my lesson. I went to look up the similar vehicle out of Craigslist, and they were looking only for $1,000.